Hello, welcome to foodbix.com. I am Zinia. Today we will prepare Tawa Corn Pizza. Let's see what all ingredients we need. 1 cup boiled corn, 2 tablespoon curd, 2 tablespoon suji, 2 tablespoon besan, half cup boiled peas, half cup chopped tomato, half cup chopped onion, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves, 1 cheese cube, 2 chopped green chilies, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, salt as per your taste. Let's start. First we will grind our boiled corn. We will grind our boiled corn coarsely, not finely. You can see it's ready. Now let's prepare our chila mixture. Take a bowl like this. First we will take our corn paste, chopped green chilies, chopped coriander leaves, black pepper powder, curd, suji, besan, add salt and mix them very nicely. Now we will add pinch of baking soda, add water. We will prepare little thick batter. Don't add water at a time. Chila mixture is ready. Now let's prepare another mixture for dressing up our pizza. Take a small bowl like this. We will take our chopped onion, boiled peas, chopped tomato, chili powder, tomato sauce, some salt, mix them nicely. You can add any spices you want in this mixture. It's ready. Now we will prepare our chila. Let's heat a non-stick tawa. Heat half teaspoon of oil in tawa. When tawa is hot enough, take 1 ladle of batter and pour over it. Spread it like a circle. Pour few drops of oil over it and from the edges. Flip it very gently when one side is done. Spread some oil from the side. Fry it nicely from both the sides. It's ready. Now let's take it out in a plate. Take it very gently. Same way we will prepare our another chila. Press it slightly and cook. Prepare your chilas little thick because ultimately we are going to prepare pizza. We will take our all chilas in different plate so that it will not break. Chilas are ready. Now let's prepare our pizza. This is our 2 chilas. Now we will dress it up like pizzas. Dress it up with this mixture. Arrange some boiled corn over it. Grate some cheese over it. You can use any cheese you want. Tawa Corn Pizza is ready. For more recipes, log on to foodbix.com. Thank you.